Step 1. Stack solid colors into timeline. Step 2. Mask the colors and increase feather. Do a round mask. Move it wherever your heart desires. Do this for all the colors. Mask, round corners, feather. Do this until you get a nice gradient. I don't know what these rectangular shapes are. Compound clip, Option plus G. Mask the compound clip. Select text. Use any font, any size, any style. Position them and add keyframes.